Hi everyone, our topic is e-waste. So, let me give the introduction about e-waste. According to the OECD, any application using an electronic power supply that has reached its end of the life would come under waste from electronic and electrical equipments. It is a special category of waste that has received great deal of attention over past 15 years. The categorized WEEE account for almost 90% of the total waste generation, which includes 42% large household applications, 34% ICT equipment, and 14% consumer electronics. Now, let me explain about the economic growth and digital revolution. In the year 1918 was the year which greatest digital revolution started and has not ceased yet. The digital revolution provided variety of products which were only economical but also very useful for the theory, invalid for household completely. They are now easier and convenient to replace rather than getting them repaired. Thank you.
International e-waste scenario. According to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, any appliance using an electronic power supply that has reached its end of life would come under WEEE. WEEE stands for waste from electronic and electrical equipments. It is a special category of waste that has received a great deal of attention over past 15 years. WEEE is diverse and complex in terms of the material and component makeup as well as in terms of original equipment manufacturing process. The electronic industry is the world's largest and fastest growing manufacturing industry. The Indian information technology has a prominent global presence today, largely due to software sector. More recently, policy changes have led to tremendous influx of leading MNCs into India to set up manufacturing facilities, R&D centers, and software development facilities.
Let me tell about the Indian e-waste scenario. 1980s was the year when the great digital revolution started and has not ceased till date. The digital revolution provided variety of products which were not only economical but also easy to use. Therefore, they invade our households completely. They are now easier and convenient to replace rather than getting them repaired. Figures as illustrated in Table 1 indicate the constant growth in sales volumes of some electronic goods in India consumer. Source of e-waste. First, manufacture. According to surveys conducted, about 50% of PCs which were outsold all over the country are basically from the secondary market and are reassembled on the old components. The rest of market share covered by MNCs 30% and Indian brands 20%. Besides, manufacturers are major contributors of e-waste. The e-waste consists of defect ICs chips, motherboards, CRTs and other peripheral items produced during the production process. It also includes defective PCs and the guarantee procured from consumers as replaced items.
Let me explain about consumer. About 22% of chart computers are generated from Indian answer 25. The routine process of getting rid of obsolete computer, including exchange from heritage or pass from the same to friends or relatives. The business center account for 78% of all installed PC in India. 25. The check computer from business center are often sold during action or sometimes related to educational institution. Impact of e-waste. Impact of e-waste is library published. No doubt the response to the law of e-waste is important from abroad. The Ministry of Education has no data yet to improve of e-waste, but abroad say that 100% control of product is not possible. Thank you. Let me continue to explain about the advantages of e-waste. E-waste recycling saves unnecessary dumps and landfills. GCL recycling and refining contributes to the Turkish economy by recovering many valuable metals from its recycling operations. Some of these metals are copper, gold, silver and palladium. Let me tell about the disadvantages of e-waste. E-waste can be toxic and is not biodegradable and accumulates in the environment, in the soil, air, water and living things. For example, open air burning and acid baths being used to recover valuable materials from electronic components release toxic materials leaching into the environment. These practices can also expose workers to high levels of contaminants such as lead, mercury, beryllium, cadmium, arsenic, brominated flame retardants, and polychlorinated biphenyls, which can lead to irreversible health effects including cancers, miscarriages, neurological damage. Thank you.